Last week, two men stole a lawnmower from a Lexington nonprofit in broad daylight. The Bob Brown house just wanted to identify the thieves.
Well, instead, this week they received a surprise delivery from a Lexington business. New at 5:30, WKYT's Caitlin Setner tells us there was one person at the nonprofit who was extra excited for the delivery.
It was a really cool moment for one of the residents. He cuts the grass here, so when thieves stole the lawnmower from the nonprofit, they actually stole his lawnmower.
The Bob Brown house is home to low-income, physically and mentally challenged adults. Rent for the residents is based on income, and the nonprofit itself operates on a small budget. Getting hit by thieves 5 years in a row isn't part of their financial plan. Just last week, thieves struck again, stealing a lawnmower. Luckily, the Bob Brown house caught the guys on camera.
We have surveillance inside and out.
But so far, they say they haven't heard anything about them being caught. Today, though, management is just elated to have a working mower.
It was a great surprise for us. I mean, we had just been really hurt by somebody stealing from us in broad daylight and weren't expecting really the response. You know, the stories that we put on the news was to try to help us catch these guys and not really a plea for help, but people in Lexington came out and helped us.
You can see they have freshly cut grass today, and that's because as soon as the new mower was dropped off, that resident got out and got to mowing. In Lexington, Caitlin Setner, WKYT.
Wilcox Pools in Winchester also made a donation to the Bob Brown house after hearing about these thefts.